Welcome guys. In today's video I'm actually going to explain to you why here at Synchronize we focus so much upon the sales process. We believe that at Otto, our marketing automation software, can actually help your customers come through this sales process in an automated fashion. We also believe that if we are able to synchronize your customer's buying process or the stages of the decision making process along with this sales process or with your sales process and synchronize the two together, then it creates an easier decision making process for your customer and also creates a more efficient and easier way of leading your customers through the sales process for your sales team. So let's get started and compare the two. So as you can see here on the right is the customer decision making process, and on the left is our sales funnel. So the first stage of the customer buying process is problem recognition. They've acknowledged that there's a problem that they need to solve. Now this is aligned with the radar blip stage. They might visit your web page, but that's it. Now stage 2 is an information search. They'll come back to your web page. They might call you. They might request a meeting. They'll request some sort of more information, and that's where you've actually made contact with them and they possibly are at the aware stage. They're aware of how you can solve their problem. Now, I encourage everyone not to believe that their customer's naive. Every single customer is going to go out and evaluate the alternatives. The customer buying process has actually evolved now that we've headed into the 21st century. Customers have information at their fingertips. So every single customer is actually going to evaluate their alternatives. They're going to Google search. But this is where they're at the interested, engaged part. So stage 2 and 3, you really need to make sure that your sales team is giving these customers exactly what they need. They want to solve this problem. So you need to ensure that the information your sales team is relaying to your customers is actually acknowledging this customer's problem. Now stage 4 is they're going to go through. They're going to make the purchase decision. So they're going from potential to client here. Now once they've made the purchase decision, this is where a lot of organizations seem to drop off. Great, we have a new client, fantastic. But this is actually where we need to continue working, because stage 5 is the post-purchase evaluation. Now every customer goes through this stage 5. I know I do. Everyone does. Now this can go one or two ways. The first way, they can actually love your product. You can continue engaging with this new client, and you can actually continue sending them more information, and it makes it a lot easier for them to come to you through an open communications channel. And then therefore they'll be an ambassador. They love your product, they love your brand, they love how you solved their problem. However, it can also go the other way. Possibly your product didn't solve the problem. Possibly your sales team overpromised and then your product underdelivered. This is where the post-purchase evaluation can be key, because you do not want somebody spreading bad word of mouth about your product. And also, you don't want an unhappy client. No one needs an unhappy client. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a little bit of insight into why we focus Otto, our marketing automation software, along the sales pipeline so much. Thanks guys, and I hope you have a great day.